Tell me you can't see me, I think I'm full sick. I have grown to be so angry, and I just can't call it quits. Tell me I'm not crazy, we all feel like this. I've been so down here lately, tell me I'm just pitching fits. 'Cause it's a long and hurtful phase, and I don't know if I belong at all. But when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. Yeah, I don't mind at all. So tell me I'm still breathing, gonna be okay. Tell me you're still here and you won't ever go away. Tell me I'm not dying, just need to get some rest. Tell me all this trying will pay off in the end. 'Cause it's a long and hurtful phase, and I don't know if I belong at all. But when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. 'Cause I don't mind at all. Tell me all these things that I cannot tell myself. Tell me you don't think that I need to get some help. Tell me that you love me. Tell me just one more time. Tell me that I'm dreaming. Just open up my eyes. 'Cause it's so long and a hurtful phase, and I don't know if I belong at all. But when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. No, I don't mind at all. Oh, when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. No, I don't mind at all. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you. Hopefully a very interesting lesson, hopefully for you. Nice and simple, okay? You won't need too long to learn this one, okay? It's a song called Pitchin' Fits by a gentleman called Drayton Farley, or Fairley, okay? F-A-R-L-E-Y, okay? Which I came across, which is a nice little tune, okay? Standard tuning, but with a capo on fret 2, okay, 2nd fret capo. And this song basically has got 4 chords in it all the way through for the verse and the chorus. Right then, boys and girls, let me hopefully show you how to play this song the way I played it anyway. So we're starting off with the intro. Now the whole song actually is only 4 chords, okay. I'll show you the 4 chords before I show you anything else, okay. So the first chord you need is an E minor 7th. Now most people would play an E minor like that probably, right? Well, you need to play it for this song, you need to play it like that. So the first finger is playing the 5th string 2nd fret, second finger is playing the 2nd fret 4th string. Now the 3rd finger and pinky now take up fretting on the 3rd fret from the capo on the top E string and the B string, 1st and 2nd strings, 3rd fret from the capo, and that's where they stay throughout the song. They play the whole song with those 2 strings fretted like that. These 2 fingers move about changing the chords, okay? So your first chord is your E minor 7th. The second chord is a C add 9, okay? All you do is keep those 2 fingers planted, 3rd finger and pinky. the first and second finger, first finger goes to the second on the fourth, and the second finger, so that's first finger, second on the fourth, second finger goes to the third fret of the fifth string, the A string. And this chord is 5 downwards, you don't play the bottom E string. So now you've got E minor 7th, all 6 strings, C add 9, 5 downwards. Then we go to a G chord. For the G chord you leave these 2 fingers on the top 2 strings, 3rd fret, and you just move these 2 fingers from the C add 9 up a string. So the first finger goes to the second on the 5th, second finger goes to the 3rd on the bottom E string. All 6 strings. So now you've got E minor 7th, C add 9, G, and finally a D and sus 4. So again you leave those 2 fingers where they are, top 2 strings, 3rd fret, and all you do for this is just add your first finger to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. But what normally happens with this is you hammer into it, so you initially leave the G string open and hammer into the 2nd fret on the G string. Like that. So the basic riff for the actual verse and the chorus is like. Okay, so what am I doing there? So basically, for E minor 7th that I've shown you, you play the bottom E string, the root note, strum down, and then up down. There you go. And that's the sort of basic strum throughout the song for all the chords. Okay, so then you change to the C add 9, hit the root note, which is the 3rd on the 5th, then to the G, bottom E string, 3rd fret, hit that on its own, then a down, down, up, down, so a down, down, up, down, and then finally the D, which you hammer into. Right, so like a. Okay, so you got. Right, so slowly. Okay, and that's the basic thing all the way through the song. The only slight difference is the intro. I'll just show you the intro, right? So the intro is based on this, but there's a slight difference, okay? It starts off the same, the E minor, but when it goes to the C add 9, you hit that 3rd on the 5th, as usual. What you do then is you hammer into that 2nd fret on the 4th string. So it's okay, slowly. Okay, then the G's normal and the D's normal. And then you do it again, same again, now same again on the D, but this time you do it 4 times. And then you're into the verse. Okay, so the whole intro, very slowly. Can you see me? I think I've fallen asleep. Okay, and then it does what I've shown you, the 4 chords round and round and round, okay? Tell me that you can see me, I think I'm falling asleep. I have grown to be so angry, I can't just call it quits. Tell me I'm not crazy, and we all feel like this. I've been so down here lately, tell me I'm just pitching fits. When you get to the end of each verse, you play that D riff 4 times. So last line is I've been down here so, I've been so down lately, tell me I'm just pitching fits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so there's you've got your verse and the end of the verse, okay, and then it goes into the chorus. So it's just verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, and then there's an added bit for the end, which I'll show you in a minute, okay. So it's just basically you get to the end of the verse and you do 4 of the D's, sus4s, because it's a long, and then it's the same chords again for the chorus, okay. Full face, and I don't know if I belong at all. I don't mind at all. I don't mind at all. Get the idea? So it's just basically it's the same all the way through, the verse and the chorus. The only thing that's different at the end of each verse, you do 4 of the D. Okay, so we'll just do the intro, the first verse and the first chorus going into the second verse. Okay, so here we go. Intro, first verse, chorus going into the second verse. Here we go. Tell me, can you save me? I think I'm falling sick. I have grown to be so angry, and I just can't call it quits. Tell me I'm not crazy, and we all feel like this. I've been so down here lately. Tell me I'm just pitching fits. It's a long face, and I don't know if I belong here at all. But when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. Oh, I don't mind at all. 4. Second verse, so tell me I'm still breathing, and so on. You get the idea? So at the end of the chorus, at the end of each verse, you play 4 lots of D, okay? And then it just carries on. Verse 2 is the same to play as verse 1. Chorus is the same as, second chorus is the same as chorus 1. Same for verse 3. And then you play the first and last chorus, because it's sorry, it's just the last chorus to the ending is like goes coming out of the third verse. It's a long, hurtful phase, and I don't know if I'll be here. But when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. Oh, I don't mind at all. I don't mind at all. And that's how it ends, okay? So you do the last chorus, because sorry, just let's do it again. it's a long and hurtful phrase. I don't know if I belong here at all. But when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. I don't mind at all. 2 lots of D. Or I could do 4. Repeat. Oh, when I'm here with you, I don't mind at all. I don't mind at all. 4 lots of D. E minor, standard E minor. Finishes on a standard E minor, not the one with the 2 top strings held, okay?